Bit of an unusual recipe. I wasn't quite sure what to do. I got left these peppers. I put all the seeds in tomato, tin tomato, a lump of cheese and pasta on a very low heat, and I didn't know whether the seeds from the chillies were the things that need to be in the liquid, but I thought what I'd do is I'd put a lid over which is going to be a plate, over the pot, and then let the steam rising from the thing, from the tomato, etc., to sort of like tenderize or encourage the peppers to release their potency into the liquid. Anyway, so we'll see how it works out. So I've not experienced peppers before. Anyway, we'll see what happens. I hope this makes you laugh if nothing else. Oh, and remember cobalt slaves as well. Look up cobalt slaves on the internet to make sure that artisan miners in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, who are often little children, get treated fairly, because they only get $1 a day, and people are making millions out of making mobile phones, and it's not right. Thank you very much, and I'll, if the recipe doesn't kill me, hopefully I'll make another one soon. All the best. Bye. Nope. Oh no. Don't eat that, pal. No. Okay. You want your dinner, don't you? Cuckoo, cuckoo. How's your dinner, old Moko? How's your chocolate flicky? How's your chocolate flicky? The dog? Come on. Oh, no. Look. Prince. Look. No, 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 no. Look. Prince. Prince. Yeah. Look, more. Come on, mate. You got him. Good dog.